Hey everybody, we're gonna do today the compass calibration for the TP360i. Before doing the laser workflow, whatever workflow you're planning to do with the Scadi and the TP360i, we need to make sure that the compass calibration is done. So to do that properly, to step away from any magnetic interference, for example, your GPS receiver, your phone, car keys, for example, so we're going to put it aside. Watch is important to be also removed, so we're going to remove it just for the sake of it. Refer to the guide, the magnetic interference document on the TP360i manual. That will be provided with the video. The link will be shown on the description. Make sure you looked at it before doing the calibration, because there's a lot of objects that can interfere with the magnetic field and the compass calibration. When you're going to receive it, you need to do the calibration, the compass calibration, and you're going to see when you're going to take a shot by clicking the fire button that there's a calibration that is pending. There's a red check mark that will be blinking on the top right of your screen. That's going to tell you that a calibration needs to be done. So the first step, you need to find the true north. So you can help yourself with the compass on your phone, like an iPhone or a real compass. So I'll show you right now. So if we found the true north, it's more to the right side that way. So there's a tolerance of about 10 degrees. So it should. Okay, so it's pointing to the right side, a little bit more to the right there. We're gonna take your phone out and we're gonna start the calibration. Okay, so we removed any metal or interference objects that could create a magnetic interference. So right now we're gonna start the calibration. What we're gonna do first, you hit the fire button to turn on the TP360i. So we're gonna hit the fire button, so you should see some information. And when you're gonna look at the lens, then you're gonna hit the menu here and you're gonna search for calibration, and on the top you're gonna see user, and then we're gonna press the check mark. That will be the last button on the in the front. You're gonna press 3 times and you're gonna press once, and then you go with those arrows so you can select yes on the top left and 360 on the top right. You click on the fire button to start the calibration. Then we're gonna press on the check mark again, check mark button, and we have enter on the calibration of the compass. So you're gonna see at the bottom it will be shown as C1FD. So we're gonna start the process one by one. They're gonna be 12 motions. So always pointing the north. We're always gonna be using the fire button. Control 1, that it's in the front, fire. The bottom, fire. Third one, backward, fire. Up, fire. To the side, fire. Down, fired. Rear back, fire. And rear up, fire. Step number 9, it's fire. Step number 10, upright, fire. Step number 11, upward, back, fired. And the last one is 12 on the left, fire. And once that is completed, you should see pass on the screen of your TP360i, and that will confirm that your calibration is done.